So here's my attempt at video with a respirator on, so I sound like Darth Vader. If you come up the the second floor stairs, and you turn to your right, this used to be that closet. As you can see, the closet, this is not a load-bearing wall, so this closet is now, here's the floor, which you can look straight down in. If you look over here, this is the master bathroom. And that straight ahead was also a closet, so we just made our master bathroom a heck of a lot bigger. Again, there's the floor again. So this makes me very, very, very happy. So I'm going to walk over here and try not to die in the meantime. And flip it around. So from the bedroom, this used to be a closet. And again, that's going to be part of the bathroom now. And over here, where that wall is, that was the toilet. And then that was part of the hallway closet. So that's all going to be part of the bathroom, which is pretty exciting. And then obviously is where the bathtub was. And we'll go back again.